Alright everyone, welcome back to another how-to video with Timberline Transfers. Today we're going to be going over the auto build feature in our gang sheet builder. There's another video out there that describes how to use the gang sheet builder in general. I'd recommend watching that one before you watch this one. To get started, we're going to click on use our gang sheet builder. We're going to select our gang sheet size here. We're going to click upload image or create your gang sheet. Once it's open, we're going to click auto build. And from here we're going to click upload image, and then we're going to select all the images that we want to upload. So I'm going to select these last three, click open. It will upload all of those images together. Once that process is complete, you'll see the images will show up on the screen here. Once in here, I can tell the builder how many of each of these items I would like. So we're going to say 10 of that one, 5 of this one, and 8 of this one, and then we're going to click apply. It's going to bring up this page, and it will say this gang sheet that you selected to start with will not work because it's not large enough to house all the images, but it will recommend which gang sheet size is best for you. You can select that one and then click continue. Once you're done, you will see this auto builder placed everything on this artboard or on the gang sheet for you in its optimal layout. You can then move each of these items if you would like to move anything to a different place on the artboard, or if you're satisfied with how it looks, you can click save and add to cart. Make sure that nothing is overlapping, which it appears there is not. Check both of these boxes and add to cart and exit. You can see that it successfully added that gang sheet to the cart, and you can check out normally. Thanks for watching.